What's up, guys? I am at Chick-fil-A. I just bought their new honey pepper pimento sandwich, and it's like some type of cheese. I think I'm saying it right. Pimento cheese. I never had it ever in my life, but that honey pepper part sounds good, so I'm gonna try it. And I got it on a spicy sandwich, so you can choose from a grilled chicken sandwich, spicy, or just regular classic chicken sandwich. And I like spicy, so I already ate all my fries, and I got me a strawberry lemonade. I haven't drank that yet, but it looks like this. It's all pretty. That is what the cheese looks like. It doesn't really look like the picture.
You should put the flash.
Looks like that. I'm gonna put a video on the side, like right here, somewhere on the screen, so you guys can see it in the light. And then it comes with pickles. Oh, hot peppers, not pickles. It has hot peppers on it. It is gonna be real hot. Let's see what it tastes like. It's actually good. You taste the sweetness, like the honey, and then the spiciness, give it that little kick. The cheese tastes good. I thought it was gonna be cold.
You know what?
It's like melted cheese. Kind of tastes like a nacho cheese sandwich, kind of. It's really good though. I probably will get this again. So, the rating I give it, my mouth is hot. I give it, I say like an 8 out of 10. It's really good. I like it. It's very spicy, especially if you like spicy stuff. Maybe since I said spicy, they put the jalapenos on there. If I would have got classic, maybe they wouldn't have did that. And then with the grilled chicken, they may have did something else. But if you like spicy stuff, this is really good. If you like the spice, I'm sorry. If you like melted cheese, not like just regular cheese, this is really good too. And you like sweet spicy stuff, so I really like this because I love me some sweet stuff. Like, I love sweet and savory things, and this is like the perfect thing to get if you like craving that. You guys should get it. Check it out. It's a brand new sandwich. They just came out with it. It's only seasonal, so I don't know how long they're gonna have it, but you should get it while you can. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and comment down below what you think, if you had the sandwich before, or if you have gotten it, or if you're about to get it. Whatever it is, put it down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.